Hey guys, it's Ellie from Garnen, and today we're going to show you how to use our Bluetooth meat thermometer. This thing is perfect for outdoor grilling and checking your meat temperatures while you're inside in the kitchen. Inside your box, you should have the device, 3 probes, and 2 AA batteries. So before you do anything, you want to put those AA batteries into your device. Next, we want to pair the device. Make sure the Bluetooth is on your phone. First thing you want to do with your device is make sure that it's on. So to do that, you press the top button for 3 seconds until you hear a beep. Now your device is on. Next, you want to go to your easyBBQ app on your phone. Wait until the welcome screen pops up and then press start. Then go to your device and then press the button one more time. It should notify you on your phone that you have successfully paired your device. The thermometer comes with 3 probes, but there are 6 slots in total, so you can add 3 extra probes if you'd like. First thing that you want to do is take off the rubber protective tips off of the probes. The app comes with preset temperature settings for each different types of meats. These presets can also be modified for your own custom temperatures. The easyBBQ app also allows individual temperature alarms and timers for each temperature probe. Using the easyBBQ app, you can wirelessly monitor your grilled items anywhere. Alright, all the meats are done, so you want to grab the probes by the silicone tips. Alright, looks like your meat is all ready to be served up. Enjoy!